Wow. You see two of her now?
No.
You see that little green guy? No?
Baby, stop it.
Okay, here.
My dream. Mom.
Mom? Mom what?
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
How you doing?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Rapunzel? Are you Rapunzel?
Wait.
No, you gotta sit still. Uh-oh, there's the mean stepmother or whatever she is.
Hey, you.
Really?
Ben, what are you watching?
What is this?
Pencil.
Rapunzel?
He knows that.
Alright, it's Tangled.
Tangled.
Why don't you just relax?
Mm-hmm.
This one's the here.
Well, that's relaxing.
Hey, dude.
Right, BB, rub your back.
You gonna take a nap?
Snore. Snore. Ben, you're goofy, Lucy. What?